For as long as there's been cameras, service technicians have been taking pictures of the weirdest and wackiest of the DIY repair jobs customers have brought into their shop. Thankfully, many technicians have been sharing their images with us. Welcome to EyeSpy, where we celebrate Canada's most creative backyard mechanics and the service technicians that undo the damage. Our first image came to us from the Canadian Tire in Miramichi, New Brunswick, and yes, that is a dryer duct where the exhaust pipe should be. What we don't know is whether the customer's clothes were still wet when they drove it in. Corey had to put a clamp on his laughing and collect himself before explaining to his customer that putting clamps around this off-the-shelf food-grade hose does not make it an acceptable replacement for a real power steering hose, no matter how many you use. Yves Boulanger sent us this photograph of a truck a customer bought at auction. I've heard of 4x4 suspension, but never 2x4. We're thinking the previous owner should stick to building houses and leave the cars to the professionals. So that's our 3 incredibly ill-conceived DIY repairs for this episode. For all you aspiring backyard mechanics, remember, fixing a car is nothing like jazz, so no points for improvising. And if you're unsure what you're doing under the hood, bring your car to a professional with the right training and the right parts to fix your car properly and safely. Special thanks to Napa Auto Parts for helping us bring you this episode of EyeSpy.